Hello and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we'll be taking up the question answers and book exercise of the chapter Huck Saves the Life of Widow Douglas, written by Mark Twain. Now I hope that you've understood this story well. So let's take the question answers. First question is, what made Huck follow the two men? And the second part of the question is, what did Huck hear them say? So the answer would be, Huck followed the two men because he thought that there was treasure in the heavy box which one of them was carrying. And the second part of the question is, Huck heard them planning to kill Widow Douglas. Okay. Second question is, what did Red Joe plan to do? Red Joe planned to kill Widow Douglas with the help of his companion. He wanted to take revenge from her husband because he had sent Red Joe to prison. But as Mr. Douglas is already dead, so he decided that his wife will have to pay the price instead of him. Okay. The third question is, just a second. Okay. How did Red Joe force his companion to assist him? So the answer would be, Red Joe threatened. The spelling of threatened is Threatened. Red Joe threatened his companion that if he would not help him, then he would kill him too. That's how he forced his companion to assist him in killing Widow Douglas. That would be the answer to this question. Now the fourth question is, who was Mr. Jones and why did Huck go to his house? So the answer would be, Mr. Jones was a brave and honest old man and everyone in the village respected him. Huck went to his house because he wanted to save the life of Widow Douglas, but he didn't want to get into any trouble as he himself was a robber, so he didn't go to the police. Okay. Now the last question is, describe the Spaniard. Was he really dumb? So the answer to this question would be, the Spaniard. Who's a Spaniard? Spaniard, as I've already told you, Spaniard is a native of Spain. So the answer would be, the Spaniard had long white hair and he pretended to be dumb. But actually he was Red Joe, a criminal, and he was planning to kill Widow Douglas. Okay, this is the answer to this question. Next is your B part, answer with reference to the context. First is, there are lights in 3 rooms, somebody must be there with her. Name the speaker. Who's the speaker here? Red Joe. Second question is, who is the speaker talking to? So Red Joe is talking to his companion. And which lights is the speaker talking about? The speaker is talking about the lights of Widow Douglas's house. Second question is, come in my boy, come in. Name the speaker. The speaker here is Mr. Jones. B, who is the speaker talking to? Mr. Jones is talking to Huck. And C, what does the speaker offer the boy? The speaker or Mr. Jones offered Huck to come inside his house and have breakfast with his family. Okay, third question is, how can I thank you? Name the speaker. The speaker here is Widow Douglas. Who is the speaker talking to? Widow Douglas is talking to Mr. Jones. C is, why is the speaker expressing her or his gratitude? She is expressing her gratitude because she thought Mr. Jones had saved her life. वो थैंक यू क्यों बोल रही थी? वो अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड मतलब कृतज्ञता किसी की तरफ दिखाना, ठीक है, या आभार व्यक्त करना किसी के लिए. तो क्यों दिखा रही थी वो ग्रैटिट्यूड? बिकॉज शी थॉट दैट मिस्टर जोन्स इज़ द वन हु हैड सेव्ड हर लाइफ. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर थिंक एंड आंसर. डू यू थिंक हक वॉज अ ब्रेव बॉय? गिव रीजन्स फॉर योर आंसर. So, yes, Huck was indeed a brave boy. Firstly, he followed the two strangers, and secondly, he went and told everything to Mr. Jones without even caring that his truth might land him in the prison because he himself was a robber. So, yes, he was a brave boy. Next is, okay, some storybook characters, like the stories themselves, are unforgettable. Huckleberry Finn and Tom Sawyer are two such characters. Can you find out the names of some other famous storybook characters in the word search below? I'm just telling you the names. You just mark it yourself. First is Cinderella. Okay, second is Rapunzel. Third is Garlic. Fourth is Alice. Fifth is Oliver. Sixth is Gulliver. Seventh is Heidi, Heidi, Heidi. And eighth is Aladdin. Okay, and Mowgli is already given to you. Okay, so these are a few names from the storybook characters. These are the names of the storybook characters. Okay, in the shape of a crossword puzzle. Okay, so do all these question answers in your fair notebook and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.